Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ayub bin Rahman Bajaj. Now I'll be talking about socket outlet plugs and safety. So this is one of the type metal clad single socket outlet. It is double socket, or you can say dual socket. So this is a bad indication if you cannot see the socket itself. There's no visual inspection of it, and this is a good example. You can see the plug, and yeah. So this most commonly used is a plastic single type. Yeah, outlet 13 ampere. So this is a power switch of neutral type. So this is the label. So this indicates that it is at level 4. So the distribution is number 1. L1 is the MCB types. P1 is the outlet. So this is the socket cover or outlet socket dimple covering the screw. So this is the screw will be the box depending on the size of the screw purchase when you purchase it. So this is a symbol of the switch, but not a symbol of an OLED. So this is a symbol of a earth, as you can see. It is commonly longer than the other pins. So 30 ampere, 250 volt, alternative current. So this is the color code. For Singapore, we are using British, so we follow the British green, yellow for earth, brown, light, blue is neutral. So as you can see, this is a plug. This is mine. Open right there. You can see. So it is missing a fuse. So what is a fuse? So this is a fuse right here. So depending on the appliance itself, a fuse is a soft metal which melts when high or more ampere current is going through this fuse. So the fuse is usually replaced as is the first protection of overloading. So this is a type of plugs. As you can see, the red symbolize the earth. So different types have different earthing. As you can see, the country. Please search at the internet for more information as they might update their plugs. So some countries, let's say Japan, use a different voltage compared to Singapore, Indonesia, China, and also different frequency. As because some of the region is using 100 volt, and it is costly to change it. As you can see here, right? If you want to change the frequency, you must have a more expensive transformer. So AC generator connected to the closed loop cable, which will be able to flow through this cable, and the current will alternate with the rotation of the generator. Thus, current reaches the maximum and minimum point during this cycle as the current changes direction. Thus, if multiple cables is added and current passes through them, it will combine the magnetic field to create a much more stronger magnetic force. Thus, if we wrap it in a coil, it will become more stronger. Thus, if using a second coil, this magnetic force will push and pull on the free electron, causing it to move. It will keep on changing polarity together. Thus, if you put an iron core, it will guide the electric much more efficiently. So the more coil you have, the more it's like more step up. You step up the current. There's more coil and more magnetic field it is. So safety features are exposed of electrical element is very dangerous as it is fire hazard and you may cause harm to people. Same goes for water, but water is much more dangerous as it may not trigger the safety mechanism of RCCB because they cannot detect an imbalance of life and neutral. Arcing happens where the metal and the electrical output did not touch, thus creating a electrical arc. This will generate heat and it is a fire hazard. Overloading is where an outlet provide too much electric, thus a lot of heat gain happen. This can cause fire and is a fire hazard. So thank you guys.